Hey there, I have a message for you. Did you know I have hundreds of detailed tutorials showing on a step-by-step in how to cut and style all types of hair in my app? Plus, you can be part of a private community where you can ask all your questions directed to me and, of course, connect with barbers all over the world. If you want to become a barber with a high performance and make six-figure a year, join us. The link is on the description on this video. Welcome back to the Modern Barber Blueprint course. I'm so happy to see you guys here. Today we have something different, something more like classic, not too crazy, a little bit trendy at the same time. Lucas, what are we gonna do today? Can you show me something on your phone? Do you have some? Okay.
I got this picture over here because I'm trying to grow out my hair.
Okay.
But I'm open to suggestions too if you want to do something else.
Let's see.
Something like this.
Okay. So the sides you want to keep.
Yeah.
You want to keep that length. Just want to kind of trim for now, and we're gonna.
I'm open to suggestions. Up to you. If you want to do something different, feel free to do so.
Okay, let's do this today. We're gonna do number 2 on the sides.
Okay.
Down one, very close to the hairline.
Okay.
Because by the time you get this part longer, we can let this grow in like a month or so. This is gonna grow back just like the picture.
Okay.
Okay. As always, I'm wetting out the hair, make the hair damp. So I start sectioning out the hair, mapping out the hair so I can start cutting. The more the hair is damp, the more control you have with the sections and the strands. So wet it out the hair first before you start cutting. I'm doing here horseshoe section. I want to create my base here. Sweep the comb. So on this side, I want to know where the hair starts separating, dividing itself from the top and sides. Here I can see where the hair is naturally growing to the side. It's time to work on our base. Okay, even if the hair is short, but if I'm able to grab it a little bit, I'm doing my base. This side is the side that is going to be disconnected. I'm just cleaning. I'm maintaining my base on mid recession. So high recession, mid recession, lower recession. Before I start cutting, I blow dry, make sure everything is going to be 100% dry. Debulk with number 2. Just stopping at my base. So we're gonna blend it down everything from 2 to 1. So I'm going to create one graduation line, a finger width, below my base. So debulk with 2, create my graduation line with the 1. Now I'm blending down. We start with 1.5 open, 1.5 closed. So putting back my number 1, but we still have a line here to blend. I'm using 1 open. One halfway closed, 1 closed. So now I'm using my regular shears. The reason why, because I have totally control and the shape and totally control in how much I'm cutting. So now I'm going to use my blending shears, using my barbering comb, but I use my regular, the regular side first. So here now we're going to work on his hairline. I'm going to keep very simple and very natural. I'm not gonna carve deep into the hairline. I'm going to maintain like low. Pay attention when you're doing the hairline here on the nape. Just follow the natural line that comes from behind the ears down, straight down. Instead, you're going deep inside the hairline. So that's no good, because the hair is going to start grow and it's going to look horrible, awkward, because there's going to be one line here, long hair, and then the new hair growing here. Okay. Finish the sides, fade it, cut it, trim it, did everything. So now we're going to just even it out the top, making sure the top is going to grow even. My future, soon future. So now I'm picking the hair from the center and I'm checking for imperfection. I'm checking for if there's anything, any areas that is longer than the other. Almost nothing. Lift it up, almost nothing here. Nothing. His barber is doing a good job. Right, Lucas? In this case here, I'm going to connect vertically. In this case, I'm going to apply a little bit while his hair is damp, and a tiny bit more when I finish blow dry. Oh, just a tiny bit more, just to work on our finalization, meaning that we're gonna put all the strands, all the hair that's out of place in its natural position where they need to be. We always need to pay attention to details, guys, because first of all, the client is paying a good amount of money, but it's not just about the money, but it's you're there for them with a nice conversation, delivering an amazing hairstyle, amazing haircut. The money is the last thing. Money is gonna come anyways, just like a consequence of good work. Deliver your best. Deliver all what you got. At the end, you're going to be compensated. This was our finalization. We came to the end. You guys follow the step. Very simple and easy haircut, but also demands our knowledge, our understanding.